Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day, we will learn something new in a fun and exciting way. यहाँ हम हर रोज कुछ नया सीखेंगे, लेकिन एक मजेदार तरीके से. Are you all ready to have some fun? Let us begin our day with a tongue twister. The tongue twister for today is proper, copper, coffee, pot. Now, I would like all of you to try and say this tongue twister with me. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इस टंग ट्विस्टर को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करें. Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Can you all try to say this? Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Now, let us increase the speed a little bit. Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Proper, copper, coffee, pot. Now, let us make this a little bit difficult. Let us increase the speed a little bit more. Make sure you try to say this tongue twister with me. And as we all know, we have to say the tongue twister 5 times with the same speed. Proper copper coffee pot, proper copper coffee pot. Oops, I couldn't say it. But I hope you were able to say it. If not, I am sure that with practice, all of us will be able to say this tongue twister. I hope you all had fun saying that tongue twister with me. Now, let me ask you all a question. Children, do you like to do your homework? क्या आप सभी को अपना होमवर्क करना पसंद है? Sometimes yes and sometimes no, right? Let me tell you all a story. Make sure you listen to me carefully. अब मैं आप सभी को एक कहानी सुनाती हूँ. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. When I was a little child, I loved doing all my homeworks except for one. Can you guess which subject was that? Yes, I did not like doing my math homework. My mother knew this, so she always insisted that I do the homework. But I never liked doing it, so I always kept it aside. But then one fine day, my uncle sat with me and explained me all the different sums. And that is when I realized that math is actually a very fun subject. And from that day onwards, I love doing my math homework. जब मैं छोटी सी बच्ची थी, मुझे अपने सारे होमवर्क करना पसंद था, लेकिन सिर्फ एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट था जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था। क्या आप बता सकते हैं ये कौन सा सब्जेक्ट था? जी हाँ, मुझे मैथ का होमवर्क करना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था और ये मेरी माँ जानती थी और इसीलिए वो हमेशा मुझे कहती थी कि मैथ का होमवर्क करो। लेकिन मुझे तो ये सब्जेक्ट पसंद नहीं, इसीलिए मैं हमेशा इसका होमवर्क टाल दिया करती थी। लेकिन एक दिन मेरे अंकल जब मेरे घर पर आए, वो मेरे साथ बैठे और मुझे सारे सम्स समझाने लगे और उस दिन मुझे पता चला कि मैथ सच में एक बहुत ही मजेदार सब्जेक्ट है और उस दिन से मैं अपने मैथ के सारे होमवर्क्स जल्द से जल्द करने लगी। नाउ, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डिड वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि हमने इस छोटी सी कहानी से क्या सीखा? Yes, we learned that sometimes all of us need a little encouragement in the right direction. And that encouragement comes mostly when someone very kindly and politely sits with us and helps us do the task. इस कहानी में हमने सीखा कि कैसे कभी कभार हम सभी को एक छोटे से प्रोत्साहन की आवश्यकता होती है और ये प्रोत्साहन उस तरह से मिलता है जब कोई हमारे साथ बैठकर वो चीज हमारे साथ करे। In our story today, we will learn a similar message. Before we move on to our chapter, let us learn some new words. Now, I would like all of you to listen to me carefully. Our first word is cottage. 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 Our second word is weeding. 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 Our third word is discipline. 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 Our next word is hard work. Hard work. Hard work. Our last word is naughty. 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 Now, I will read these words for you once again. And this time, I would like all of you to try and say these words with me. And also, try to write them down in your notebooks. अब मैं इन शब्दों को एक और बार पढ़ूंगी। इस बार मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहराने की कोशिश करें और इन शब्दों को अपने नोटबुक में लिखने की भी कोशिश करें। Are you ready? Let's go. Our first word is cottage. Our second word is weeding. Our third word is discipline. Our fourth word is hard work. And our last word is naughty. Now it is time to read a wonderful chapter. Please open page number 63 of your My English textbook. The name of our story is Go and Come. Now, if you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words as I read them. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो प्लीज चिंता ना करें. मुझे ध्यान से सुनिएगा. The name of our chapter is Go and Come. Once there was a little boy. He lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden. So there was a lot of work to do there. Water the plants every day, give manure from time to time, cut and prune the plants at the right time, weed the garden, clean the garden. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Here we saw how there was a little boy who lived in a pretty cottage. Now, cottage is a small little house. Around his house, he also had a beautiful garden. We all know that it is very important to take care of a garden. So, be it watering the plants or giving them fertilizers, there was always some or the other work. And everyone in his family helped to take care of this garden. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे एक नन्हा सा बच्चा एक प्यारे से छोटे घर में रहता था. उसके घर के आसपास वहां एक प्यारा सा बागीचा भी था. हम सभी जानते हैं कि एक बागीचे की देखभाल करना कितना ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण होता है और इसी वजह से कोई ना कोई काम हमेशा रहता था और उसके घर के सभी सदस्य इस बागीचे की देखभाल में मदद किया करते थे. The boy had a very strict uncle. He believed in hard work and discipline. One day the boy was playing around in the house. Little boy, said the uncle, your garden needs weeding. Don't play around. Do some work. Go now and weed the garden. The little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. Now here we saw how the little boy had an uncle. This uncle was very strict. He believed in discipline and hard work. So one day when he saw the little boy playing, he asked him to stop playing and go and clean the garden. But now the little boy did not want to weed the garden. Instead, he wanted to play. So he told his uncle that he did not want to weed the garden. Can you tell me what would his uncle say next? यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे उस नन्हे से लड़के के एक अंकल हुआ करते थे. अब ये अंकल जो हैं वो बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट यानी सख्त स्वभाव के थे. वो अनुशासन और हार्डवर्क यानी मेहनत करने पर बहुत ही ज्यादा विश्वास करते हैं. इसीलिए एक दिन जब उन्होंने उस नन्हे से बच्चे को खेलते हुए देखा तो उन्होंने उससे कहा कि खेलना बंद करो और जाकर बागीचे की निराई करो. निराई यानी सफाई करो. लेकिन वो बच्चा तो खेल रहा था, इसीलिए उसका निराई में बिल्कुल अभी मन नहीं था. तो उसने अपने अंकल से कहा कि उसे अभी निराई का मन नहीं है. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि अंकल ने अब उससे क्या कहा होगा? Let us read and find out. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to, not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. The little boy felt sad. Uncle is so unfair, he thought. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat. His eyes welled up. When the little boy told his uncle that he did not want to weed the garden right now, the uncle said that he must do it right away. He also asked him to stop being naughty and told him that it was an order. Now, hearing this, the little boy became very, very sad. He was so sad that his throat filled up and there were tears in his eyes. यहाँ हमने देखा कि जब उस नन्हे से बच्चे ने अपने अंकल से कहा कि वो अभी निराई नहीं करना चाहता, तब उसके अंकल ने उससे कहा कि उसे अभी के अभी जाना होगा। उन्होंने उससे कहा कि वो अब शरारती बनना छोड़ दे और ये भी कहा कि ये एक आदेश है। अब ये सुनते ही वो नन्हा सा बच्चा बहुत ही ज्यादा उदास हो गया था। उस बेचारे का गला भर आया था और उसकी आंखों में आंसू आने लगे थे। Now can you tell me what happens next? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि आगे क्या होने वाला है? Let us read and find out. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Oh, said his mother. What fun that will be! I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you weed? Why, yes, said the boy. So the boy and his mother went outside. They weeded the garden. They had a very good time working and chatting and laughing. Now here, when the mother walks in and sees that the little boy is very upset, she asks him what had happened. And the boy tells her that his uncle has asked him to weed the garden. Now, can you tell me what did his mother reply to this? The mother said something that changed his entire mood. Mother told him that weeding is actually a very fun task and also asked him whether she could come and help him weed. Now, hearing this, the little boy gets very excited and finally both of them together weed the garden. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे उस नन्हे से बच्चे की माँ आकर देखती है कि वो कितना नाराज है। जब वो उससे पूछती है कि क्या हुआ, तब वो बच्चा उन्हें बताता है कि अंकल ने उसे गार्डन को वीड करने यानी गार्डन की निराई करने के लिए कहा है। और ये सुनते ही माँ ने उससे कहा कि वीडिंग तो एक बहुत ही मजेदार काम है और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि क्या वो उस बच्चे के साथ मिलकर वीड कर सकती है। तब ये सुनकर वो बच्चा बहुत ही ज्यादा उत्सुक हो गया और फिर दोनों ने साथ मिलकर पूरे गार्डन को अच्छे से साफ किया। In this story, we saw how just like me, the little boy also just needed a little encouragement. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे मेरे ही तरह उस नन्हे से बच्चे को भी बस थोड़ा सा प्रोत्साहन चाहिए था. I hope you all like this story. Now it's time for us to do an activity. In this activity, we will have a vase and there will be a word written on this vase. Now, we have to read the word carefully and then write down what are the different words that come to our mind when we read that word on the flowers given on top. इस एक्टिविटी में हमें एक वेस नजर आएगा. इस वेस पर एक शब्द लिखा होगा. अब हमें इस शब्द को गौर से पढ़कर ये शब्द को पढ़ते ही हमारे दिमाग में कौन से अलग अलग शब्द आ रहे हैं, ये सारे शब्दों को वेस के ऊपर दिए हुए फूलों में लिखना है. Let me give you an example. If you look at the board, you will see that the vase has the word mother written on it. इस वेस पर mother ये शब्द लिखा हुआ है. अब the words that come to my mind when I think of the word mother are father, son, daughter, love and family. मैं जब मदर ये शब्द के बारे में सोचती हूँ, मुझे ये 5 शब्द नजर आते हैं. Now similarly, you will see a vase with a word on your screen. You have to think of a few words that come to your mind when you read that word and then write them down in your notebooks. Are you all ready? Let's go. Now this vase has the word garden written in it. इस वेस पर garden ये शब्द लिखा है. Now you have to think of some words that come to your mind when you read the word garden. अब आपको garden ये शब्द सुनकर कौन से शब्द याद आते हैं ये लिखना है. And for this you will only have 30 seconds. All the best. And your time is up. Now, let us look at the answers. The words that come to my mind when I read the word garden are flowers, plants, birds, children, trees and green. So we have 6 words related to garden. Very well done. I hope you all like this session. Today, we learnt a very important lesson. We learnt that all of us always need a little encouragement. आज हमने एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण लेसन सीखा है. हमने सीखा कि हम सभी को थोड़े से प्रोत्साहन की जरूरत होती है. Now, I would like all of you to share this message with your friends and family. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इस मैसेज को अपने परिवार और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe and bye-bye.